drown you, alright? No. Eh, what happened? What happened? Waterslide real land.
Sit down in it.
Sit down. I'll be on a beach here. Drinking my coconut. No, sir. This is wild. I mean, if you're really going at this, though.
Slide around and drop you.
This looks fun.
The blue one.
Wow. Okay.
Drop you.
Wow. Bro, what you do? Why me never afraid to yet? Huh? Me? No, sir. Me alright what me do.
You can handle that one.
No.
Watch out! Watch!
Alright, Ratchet. Ratchet in gun in I red one. I went in, going out yet? I not even know which one did I come through. I in that? The Ratchet. Oh, what's your? Oh, what? Wow! Hey! Come back now! He's there free yet. Green and white. Oh, green and white. Alright. Green and white. Let's go. Ah, Jesus. Why I can't go find no more? I'm done. I eat that to me. It's nice, but why? It's scary. It is so scary. It is so scary. But after you get over it, you're glad. You're like, wow, that's it. Not even 2 seconds. Craziness. Company, you want? Yeah! Why? Carol, if you be a hero. If you be a hero, come, we could never. Here we go. Showtime. Let's put it on a show, guys. Me blood. Whoa! Woo! That was smooth. That was fire. Them too short. Woo! That's crazy. What's your man? You know, see how far could I reach? That's right there.
Wait, hey guys, don't put it under the water. Now watch it, pop it.
Alright guys, so we are walk over now to the jerk out and yeah, I'm excited as I can see the line long, but that was it. Let's go. We put this jerk sauce funny because me no know if I pepper dish. Alright.
Sauce make it nice up.
I like it. Zero me say it nice sauce.
This one cook down. And nice put sauce on top and then you cook it up.
Me not like the rice and peas very it's solid. It's solid. I true a long time I eat rice and peas so she very nice. Thank you.
What's up? We can fortune my favorite to me.
Why your face look like that? Your face like
Tell me, please tell me.
Huh?
Is this what it's supposed to taste like?
Yes.
Like sourness?
I'm in Jamaica. Where are you?
You know, see a little bit.
I do. Brother, oh my gosh. No, come here, bro. Thank you. Wow, bro, thank you so much. I am weak. Wow. How am I gonna bring this now?
Maybe I'll check out some monkey.
Oh.
For the Valentine.
Yes! Yes! Wow! Jamaica Cup official straight out of Jamaica.